"15 Most Amazing Nests Built by Bird Architects." Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly fascinating lined up for you. Birds, those incredible architects of the animal kingdom, have amazed us for centuries with their intricate nest-building skills. From simple twigs to complex designs, these avian engineers never fail to impress. In this video, we'll be exploring the 15 most amazing nests built by bird architects. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Weaver birds. Our first architects on the list are the weaver birds. These little creatures are known for their extraordinary weaving abilities. They meticulously craft their nests using grass, leaves, and twigs, creating intricate hanging masterpieces. Some species even incorporate found objects like plastic and paper, adapting to the changing world around them. Hummingbirds. Next up, we have the hummingbirds. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are skilled builders. They use plant down, spider silk, and other natural fibers to create cozy, cup-shaped nests. These nests often have an elastic quality, expanding as the baby hummingbirds grow. Osprey. Now, let's talk about the ospreys. These magnificent raptors are known for their massive stick nests, usually built on the tops of dead trees, poles, or cliffs. Ospreys are loyal to their nests, often returning to the same site year after year, adding new materials and expanding their homes. Australian bowerbirds. Moving on, we have the Australian bowerbirds. These clever architects create decorative bowers on the forest floor. Male bowerbirds meticulously decorate their bowers with colorful objects like flowers, berries, and even human-made items. These elaborate displays are meant to attract females during mating season. Red ovenbirds. Now, let's talk about the red ovenbirds. Red ovenbirds, found in South America, create oven-shaped nests similar to their American counterparts. Built from mud and plant material, these nests are often constructed on the ground, resembling miniature clay ovens, and providing a safe haven for their eggs and chicks. Bald eagles. Bald eagles, the iconic birds of prey, are also exceptional builders. They construct massive nests, known as eyries, high up in trees or on cliffs. These nests can weigh up to a ton and are made from sticks, grass, and feathers. Bald eagles continuously refurbish and enlarge their nests, adding new materials each year. Long-tailed tits. Long-tailed tits, native to Europe and Asia, build exquisite nests using moss, feathers, lichen, and spider silk. These nests are elongated, providing ample space for the family. Their soft, insulated interiors ensure the chicks are kept warm even in cold weather. Common chaffinch. Let's not forget the common chaffinch, a small songbird with a remarkable nest-building strategy. Female chaffinches line their nests with feathers, moss, and lichen, providing excellent insulation for their eggs and chicks. These nests are so well camouflaged that they often blend seamlessly with the surrounding foliage, protecting the vulnerable chicks from predators. American Goldfinch. American goldfinches are known for their intricately woven nests. Using plant fibers, thistle down, and spider silk, these birds create cup-shaped nests that are perfectly suited to their needs. The nests are often situated at the end of branches, providing safety and stability for the growing family. Barn swallows. Barn swallows are expert aerial architects. They build cup-shaped nests made from mud pellets, often attaching them to the eaves of buildings, bridges, or cliffs. Barn swallows are known for their swift and agile flight, which they use to gather the materials necessary for their nests. Horned coots. In the high-altitude lakes of the Andes, horned coots build floating nests. Using plant materials and mud, they create sturdy platforms that float on the water's surface. These nests protect their eggs from predators and provide a stable environment despite the water's movements. Gray herons. Gray herons are skilled nest builders, constructing large stick nests high up in trees. These nests serve as breeding sites, where herons raise their chicks in safety. The construction of these nests involves intricate weaving and balancing, ensuring that the nest can withstand the weight of the growing chicks. Flamingos. Flamingos build mounds of mud, which serve as nests for their eggs. These remarkable structures can reach over a meter in height and help protect the eggs from flooding and predators. European Penduline tits. European Penduline tits are known for their intricately woven nests made from feathers, moss, and plant fibers. These hanging nests, suspended from the tips of tree branches, provide protection from predators and adverse weather conditions. New Caledonian Crows. Last but certainly not least, we have the New Caledonian Crows, known for their remarkable intelligence. These crows are famous for crafting and using tools for various purposes, including nest building. They create stick tools to extract insects from tree crevices and also use them to build intricate nests high up in trees, showcasing their advanced problem-solving abilities. And there you have it, folks, the 15 most amazing nests built by bird architects. Nature never fails to inspire us with its ingenuity and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious.